Hey guys, how we all doing today? Pretty good, yeah? Right, so today's video will be on sum or primes, which is a challenge of the section Intermediate Algorithm Scripting. So let's get right down inside the code. I mean, uh, read first what we need to do. So it says sum all the prime numbers up to and including the provided number. A prime number is defined as a number greater than 1 and having two divisors. Sorry, that's pronounced as divisors, probably. 1 and itself. So it's got on a prime number is such a number which has just two divisors, 1 and itself. So for example, 2 is a prime number because it's only divisible by 1 and 2, right, which is 1 and by itself. The provided number may not be a prime, so it warns us that this number here, it may not be a prime. Cool. And it also says that remember to use read, search and ask if you get stuck and try to pair program, write your own code. Alright, so I'm gonna do this challenge in two methods. So the first method I'm gonna be writing, in which I'm gonna be checking that if a value provided is a prime number or not. Okay, and then we're gonna take uh, we're gonna see if it's a prime and then add it to the sum and then so on and so forth. Alright, so let's get started to code. Right, so the first variable I would need is a sum to store all the sum in, so I would say let sum. Alright, and first I think I'm gonna create a new function that checks whether the value passed is a is a prime number or not. So I'll do function, and the name of my function can be prime prime nah I would say is prime. Okay, and then I'll be passing the value in it. Alright, cool. So now that that's done, I want to include a for loop. So for I0, and then the condition will be that I is less than my value. Alright, and then I'll be doing I plus plus, and then the the condition to check if a value passed in is a prime or not is I'm gonna check if the value if divided by the index which is passed here, and if the remainder of that equals 0, then it won't be a prime, so I will return false. Alright, and if it is, if this one isn't true, then I will simply return a true. That's it. So that's my check if the passing value is a prime or not. Okay, uh, just remember to put in this return true at the appropriate place, because it can get quite, I would say, confusing. Yeah. All right. So now that our methods out of the way and we're checking for prime numbers, now I'm gonna sum this prime number up, or the determined prime number, and add it to the sum. So for that, like I said, I've included sum as a variable, and I'm gonna be no, I would probably, yeah, that's fine. I would do a for loop, okay, and then for I, why? Because we need to go through all the numbers in, up to and including this number. So I'll do I is less than equal to num, and then increment I every time we go, and then uh, I'm I'm gonna check that if the pass number, I mean the index is the number that's in the index is a prime or not, with the help of the is prime method that I've just written. So if is prime, and then I'm gonna pass in the index of it. Alright, and then if it is a prime, then all I'm doing is adding it to the sum. Alright, and then I'm simply returning the sum. Simple as that. Alright, cool. So let me just go through this once more time. So in order to do this, I've just first of all created two functions. One function to determine if the pass value, which is from here, is a prime or not. So it will come here, see if 0 is a prime, and then it will go in this method to check that, and it will come on this condition, and then would be it would it would return false, and then no, it won't go in, it will go in this one, and it will return false, and then yeah, and then it will come back here and see, nope, it's not a prime, so it won't add it to the sum. As soon as it comes in here, it increments I, so now it becomes 1, and then it goes again to check if 1 is a prime, and then it will come into false. So, and then back there, it won't add the I to the sum because 1 isn't the prime, and then it will come into 2, and I mean increment it, and now I is 2, and then it will go in this method here, and then say I is, and then I is the value, so it will do 0 divided by 2 is 0, yes, so that means a false, so it won't come in there. Alright, so there would be like, no, sorry. So if it's 2, it won't come in here because 2 is a prime, so it would say uh, return true, and then because it returns true here, so it will come in there and add 2 to the sum, so on and so forth. Alright, I really hope you get the point and the entire process, how these two methods are working together. Alright, so since that's supposed to be it really, let's see if the test pass. Oh no, it doesn't pass. Why not? Let's see what I've done wrong. I'm passing the value here. Yep, and then bar index is starting from 0. Hang on. From I mean from the perspective of prime numbers, isn't they supposed to be greater than 1? So in this case, our index should start with 2. Yeah, that makes more sense. So here as well, our index should start with 2. Yes. Alright, let's check if the test passes now. No, it still doesn't. Interesting. Why is it not passing this test? So, I've got there is prime value, yep, well here, and then for i's 2, and then i's less than value, and then it's incrementing, and then if value modulus I is equal to 0, then return false, and return true, yep, and then it comes into some prime, and then let sum defines the sum, yeah, and then for I is equal to 2, yep, I is less than equal to num, yep, which is this one here. If I if is prime, if this I is prime number, then I'm adding I to the sum. Yeah. So why is this not working then? Must have done something wrong here. So yep. So value. I think I might need to assign this a number variable, a number. That's but yeah, that was the case because the sum here was unassigned, and I was just using it here without assigning the sum as a number or an integer. Alright, I really hope you guys get the point of it, and if not, leave me a comment in the video, and I'll make sure I'll get back to you. Alright, until next time, have fun coding guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess. Bye bye.